So I have been working on this 1980s P30, trying to make sure that at least the 120 system in it works, along with the 12 volt, to make sure that when things go, this truck is driving, it's at least charging. That is shore power, so it's kind of like an RV. There's the secondary battery. There's the charger. That back there is the switch panel, and that's where things are plugged in. The second switch that's down goes to this here. It used to go to this, so it got repurposed. One of the things that I've been doing is upgrading the electrical as issues arise. Starter, alternator, battery isolator, 140 amps. This truck, for whatever reason, hated its stock alternator. No matter what we did, we could never get it to charge, so we had to go with something a bit more modern. The other thing I did was put in a piece to be able to change the generator if it's needed. Yep, 30 amp, 120.